it's Miss
And
Edwards
Mr. Brinkman.
back in my office. We wanted to review with you that 7 habits since we're going on break and it's the end of the quarter.
It's been a great quarter 3 with everyone. And so we just want to make sure that you remember to apply the habits with your own life as well as within your family.
By the way, in case you forgot, Mr. Brinkman and I both have habits in our offices, on our walls, and we hope to see you guys soon. Habit 1, be proactive.
Habit 2, begin with the end in mind.
Habit 3, put first things first.
Habit 4, think win-win.
Habit 5, seek first to understand and then be understood.
Habit 6, synergize.
Habit 7, sharpen the saw.
Woo.
I know, that's a lot. There's 7 of them, friends.
So, which habit do you feel like you're going to apply over spring break?
Ooh, that's a good one. Make sure you let us know. Post it down in the comments. Bye, Pirates.